Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's practice 3 Tai Chi moves to improve balance. Let's practice 3 Tai Chi moves to improve our balance. Our first move is white crane spreads wings. So we're going to go into our back stance, our cat stance, and have your right hand up and your left hand down. Now in my back stance, my cat stance, my weight is on my back foot and my left heel is up. Extend your arm out and press your hand down. Sink into the stance. So this is the first one to help with our balance. We're going to extend with our arms and sink with our center. Now we're going to go into monkey repulses. So we'll work on stepping back. So now open both arms, step back slowly with your left foot. Bring your toe back, then shift your weight and press out with your right hand. Open, step back with your right foot. Slowly shift your weight and press out. Now we're going to go into golden rooster stands on one leg, the most difficult of these 3 moves. Now shift your weight forward, step down with your left foot, come up with your right leg and your right arm. Come down with your right, come up with your left. Golden rooster stands on one leg. Let's practice those 3 moves again. Those 3 moves are going to help us improve our balance. So we're going to go nice and slow and help to work on our core muscles and our leg muscles. And as we move our feet and our hands into each position, we'll go with a calm, steady pace to work on our balance. So we start with white crane spreads wings. Then we open and step back into monkey repulses, nice and slow. Then we go into golden rooster stands on one leg. Step out, nice and slow. Bring your feet and your hand up. Other side. Tai Chi is about consistent repetition to improve our skill. So let's practice one more time. Remember, go nice and slow, work on your core muscles and your connection with the ground to improve balance. Start with white crane spreads wings. Open into repulse monkey. And step forward into golden rooster stands on one leg. That was 3 Tai Chi moves to improve our balance. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and watch more of my videos to learn more Tai Chi and give me a subscribe. Stay healthy, stay strong.